Hi, I'm Oliver Shortle, and as the studio signature artist in Los Angeles, I'm excited to tell you about the seminars we offer our professional hairdressers at the Wella studios in North America.
Immerse yourself in everything that is GHD in our GHD Total Style Seminar. Learn salon-friendly techniques inspired by the latest in fashion trends that your clients will love. Learn time-saving prep dry, directional setting techniques using our stylers, and wrapping techniques using our curve tools.
These quick styling techniques will make for a great add-on service to grow your styling business, as well as inspire your clients to perfect their look at home. Now that you've explored the world of GHD and grounded yourself in our techniques, push yourself to the next level with our Standards of Long Hair Dressing seminar.
I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalized to your unique journey. We look forward to seeing you at the Wella Studios soon.